presenting our product, the Ignis Scientia Firebank. We simplify technology. This is the tagline of our product. Nowadays, there are so many new technologies that came out, not just because the pandemic, but also because the society is growing. We produce a simple mug holder will absorb heat from the mug, and then it has a USB wire wherein you connect your phone and charge it. As simple as that. And that explains our tagline. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Marvin Recto and I'm going to discuss about our business or the company. Our company's name is Ignis Scientia. By the way, Ignis is a Latin word which means fire. And so the business that we are in line with is in the field of electronics. The technology business idea our group wants to start is the manufacturing and marketing of electronic devices that highlights innovation to the mobility and portability of the digital devices like mobile devices and smartphones. By portability and mobility, we mean the ability to be easily carried or moved. We all know that the smartphones have been greatly influencing the lives of the people globally, and our company wants to innovate and maximize the way people can use such mobile devices. We want to elevate the experiences of the users and at the same time keeping up with the trend in the market. Just a little sneak peek to our product, the technology of portable heat converter for charging mobile devices is new entry in the field of technology and innovation, at least in our country. There are existing similar looking products like coffee heater by the use of mobile smartphones, but the counter or the opposite version has not been yet in the market. So not just innovation, also our business supports the sustainable development goals for the renewable energy. With our product, instead of wasting the heat energy from the coffee as it cools down, the energy is converted into a resourceful form to charge our smartphones, and at the same time, can also minimize the use of the chargers.
Good day everyone, I'm Wendell Argel Hernandez from Santa and I am the reporter of our product, the Firebank, not your ordinary powerbank. The electronic device functions as an alternative source of power by converting heat energy from a mug or cup like coffee and other hot beverages through conduction to electrical energy for recharging. The business not only innovates the mentioned technology, but it also will appeal to the market as a stylish digital accessory by providing various design and aesthetics. It means it is a type of power bank that recharging by the use of heat conduction. And it is made up of graphite that has heat conductive material, lightweight, low cost, abundant in resource, addition to polymer mixtures, lithium-ion battery that has low cost, more storage, USB 2.0 port, micro USB port, LED, lithium-ion battery charger module, DC boost converter module, thermoelectric generator.
Hi, my name is Brandon Bilimiit and I'm here to talk about the materials for Firebank. First of all, we have the main material, which is graphite. Graphite is used for getting heat through conduction because it is a material that is highly heat conductive and it is lightweight and it costs less and abundant in resource, and in addition to polymer mixtures, it is very easy to make. For battery, of course, we have the lithium ion battery, which traditional power banks also use. It is low cost and it has more storage. Of course, we also have USB 2.0 port and a micro USB port for connecting to your devices. We have LED or light emitting diode for power signal, and the lithium ion battery charger module, the DC to DC boost converter module, and the thermoelectric generator, or what we call the CBEC generator, for converting heat that is captured by the graphite into electrical energy.
Hi, I'm David Tolin, and now I'm gonna discuss about price of a regular power bank. For the regular power bank, we have 1,599 for the storage capacity of 10,000 mAh. And if you want some custom design, it's gonna cost 1,799. And we have 20,000 mAh battery storage capacity for only 2,299. For the custom design, we're gonna cost 2,499. For the available color, we have 3 different variants of color. We have red, blue, and violet.
My name is Timoteo P. Pagong Jr. We talk about the advantage and disadvantage of using Firebank. One advantage, a portable source of energy which could be used to recharge the user's smartphone or any device that we can charge, either through USB or what we call universal serial bus or other ports. Second advantage, can store electrical energy by converting heat energy to compaction from the mug or cup placed on to top it. Another invention that can be further implemented in capability or converting heat energy in electrical energy through conducting, but also the conversion of solar energy into electrical energy through radiation. The third advantage is portable like a power bank, but it's more efficient in that can be recharged in various ways aside from heat conversion. That's the advantage. Going to disadvantage. One disadvantage of using power bank. Less portable than traditional power banks. It's not like a traditional power bank that he can use anywhere and anytime. Second disadvantage, takes longer time to fully charge. It's more patient and more time to take fully charge your devices. That's the disadvantage.
Good afternoon, I'm Alex Bendo. Why did you choose this product? We chose this product, Ignis, because most of us can resist to hot beverages like coffee or tea. Also, we don't want our phone to be in low battery as well. So while we are enjoying our hot beverages, we are able to recharge our devices with a use or mug or cup of coffee. We choose this product because in modern day, most of us are using mobile devices and we don't want our devices to be in low battery. So, hot beverages play a vital role in one's life. It is more than just a drink. According to my research, coffee and tea is popular here in our country. Also, 93% of the Filipino purchase coffee in a week. There are numerous sprouting coffee shops in Metro Manila, South Luzon, and other cities, which is good because our target place in urban areas like a Metro Manila. It is a big help in our business because hot beverages like coffee and tea never gets old. Even younger people loves coffee or tea. I think that most of us will love this because while we are enjoying our hot beverages, we are able to recharge our phone.
Good day everyone. I am Jekyll Punay and I will be presenting to you our company's organizational chart. This is our company's organizational chart. On the top is the CEO or Chief Executive Officer, the one who is responsible in all major decisions and operations of the company. Under CEO, there will be 3 other senior officers directly reporting to him. The CTO or Chief Technology Officer, who is responsible in managing technological requirements of the company. the CFO or Chief Financial Officer, who is responsible for managing the financial flow of the company, and the COO or Chief Operating Officer, who is responsible in overseeing the daily administrative and operational function of the company. One person will be directly reporting to the CTO, which is the product manager. He is the one who identifies the customer need. He provides product expertise needed to lead the organization. Under CFO, there will be an account manager directly reporting to him. Account manager is the one who acts as point of contact that develops and maintains long-term relationship with the accounts or clients. Under him is the financial analyst, who provides guidance to the company for its financial flow. And lastly, we have an operation associates, who is directly reporting of COO. He provides assistance in daily management of the business. He will be also the one in charge in completing clerical and administrative tasks of the company. That's all our company organizational charts. Thank you.
Ignis Scientia.
Ignis, Scientia, and Simplify
Ignis,
Technology.
Simplify Technology.